we're going to take this out the pack. Like I said, I'm not turning the camera off. We're going to see how quick is this ready to go hair, all right? Is this ready to go? Now, over the weekend, I had took my man out for his birthday, y'all. First of all, I had... Hold on, let's get into this lace. Baby, eating down. Ooh, okay. Anyways, I took my... We're going to try and put this on. Bear with me. I told you, I'm not stopping the clock. So y'all are here. Y'all are here to watch the whole thing. Ooh. Oh, wait a minute. Let me... Oh. Oh. I might not need it. What is you talking about? Oh. Oh, this eats down, baby. Hold on, hold on. Oh, this glueless for sure. Ooh, I'm trying to show y'all. Oh. Ooh, keep that right there. Okay. Okay, hold on. Wait a minute. Where my brush at? Let's get this right together. Ooh. Okay, all I need to do is put on a little outfit. Hair is done. Y'all, that was literally 3 minutes. Like 3. That took no time. If I didn't have to unwrap it out the pack and it was already out the pack, I could have just flipped it on and did that at the door. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Y'all see that? I got to give you up close and personal, baby. Oh, yeah. Okay.